Hello, and welcome to the Folklore Library tutorial about how to use the thesaurus in online databases. A thesaurus is a collection of the subject terms used to sort articles in a particular database, so that you can discover what word or phrase is used to describe the topic you want, and can use that word or phrase to search for materials. Not every database has a thesaurus, but when the database you're using does, it can be a very useful tool. For the purposes of this tutorial, we're going to use the education database ERIC, because it has a thesaurus, and you can use it through the interface of two different companies, EBSCO and ProQuest. The thesaurus can look different depending on which interface you're using. In EBSCO databases, if there's a thesaurus for the database you're using, the link for it is under the heading Subjects in the middle of the screen, on the Advanced Search page. Click on the word Subjects to get to the thesaurus. When you open the thesaurus, you're given a list of key terms in alphabetical order. The search box just below the Subjects heading is the box you use to search for key terms. In the box itself, there is text saying Search for terms in ERIC thesaurus. For the purposes of this search, I'm going to look for the subject term literacy. And here it is. You'll notice that the exact term I searched for, literacy, appears first, while other terms that include the word literacy are listed below. Some terms that don't appear to be links will have the word use and another term listed next to it. This means that in this database they call that term something else. If you click on the term listed after the word use, it will take you to that term. If you've found a term and you're curious about what it means or about terms that might be related to it, click on the term itself. You'll get a definition of the term and a list of terms that are broader, narrower, or related to the term you've chosen. If you want to search for materials that include a particular term, click on the checkbox to the left of the term. Then, click on the Add to Search button, and the term will be added to the top search box, which is the one you'll eventually use to search for articles. If you're going to search for more than one term at a time, keep in mind that the drop-down box next to the Add to Search button gives you options about the connector terms you can use, or means that the search will look for articles with any of the terms you've selected, but that the articles don't necessarily include all the key terms, and means that the search will only look for articles that include all the key terms. Not allows you to exclude a key term that you don't want to look for. For example, if I wanted to look for literacy, but I wanted to leave out all the results about literacy education, not is a way to do that. When you're finished adding terms, click on the blue search button below and to the right of the search boxes, and that will search for articles that meet your criteria. Now let's look at the ProQuest version of ERIC. To get to a thesaurus in other ProQuest databases, you have to go to the Advanced Search page. Thesaurus is an option next to the Advanced Search label. When you click on it, you'll open a separate window that allows you to browse the thesaurus. Simply type the word into the search terms box, I'll use literacy again, and click on the Find button. Notice that this version of the thesaurus shows you results listed alphabetically, with literacy halfway down the page. Terms without checkboxes are the terms they're using another name for. Click on the term to be taken to the name they're using. If you want a definition of your term or related terms, click on the double box icon next to the term. If you want narrower terms, click on the term name. To add the term to your search, click on the checkbox to the left of the term, choose the connector. You have the option of and, not, and or, and then click the Add to Search button. Thanks for watching this tutorial. If you have questions, please get in touch with the librarian using the contact information on the catalog homepage. We'll be happy to help you.